This is the creation of the universe according to Greek mythology. The Greeks say that it all began with chaos, a special jumbled up substance that contained all the ingredients necessary for a fully formed universe. Then, snap, crackle, pop, chaos became cosmos, or the ordered universe. Cosmos means well-ordered, which is related to other words like cosmetics, which put your face in good order. Although the Greeks recorded this transformation from chaos to cosmos, they never mentioned which god was responsible for it. This didn't particularly interest them. And so they said that an unknown god created the universe. In the newly formed world, there existed two immortal beings, Gaia, Mother Earth, and Uranus, Father Heaven, the earth and the sky. Coming together, these two forces produced their first batch of children. Much to Uranus's displeasure, these children were hideously deformed. Some were cyclopses, one-eyed giants, and the others had 100 gangly arms and 50 heads each. Disgusted by their deformities, Uranus banished them to the deepest and darkest part of the underworld, a pit called Tartarus. Gaia grieved for her lost children, yet her mourning was cut short. Uranus compelled her to produce a second batch of offspring. These children were the Titans, giants who possessed mighty powers. Some had the strength to lift mountains. Some were as strong as rushing waters, and some blazed like the sun. Since they were perfectly formed, Uranus allowed them to roam the earth freely, and there was peace for a time.